Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauriram Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Hyderabadi famous Mutton Tahari along with mutton curry. This is very simple to prepare and you can make this recipe instead of mutton biryani. Take half kg mutton, wash it properly in a pressure cooker, add little oil. For tempering, we are going to use 3 bay leaf, a small piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise, 2 green chilli, little cardamom and 3 cloves. Add it to the oil and next we are going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Next we are going to add the mutton pieces. Mutton tahari is nothing but cooking mutton biryani in pressure cooker in a simple method. And now let's add mutton pieces to the oil and fry it well for some time until the mutton stock gets released. You can see that mutton is perfectly cooked, and now let's add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder and required amount of salt. Mix it well and fry it for some more time. And now we are going to add 2 cups of water and keep whistle for 15 minutes in medium flame. This mutton is used for mutton tahari as well as mutton curry. Garnish it with coriander leaves. After 15 minutes, our mutton is cooked perfectly. After 15 minutes, our mutton is perfectly cooked. Now we shall divide this mutton as boneless and with bones, so that boneless pieces are used for mutton tahari and mutton with bones are used for mutton curry. And this mutton stock is divided equally for both the recipes. Now let's keep the cooker as well as a kadai for tahari and mutton curry. Put little ghee for mutton tahari and little oil for mutton curry. First let's see how to make mutton tahari. In the ghee, let's add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Add handful of mint leaves and fry it well. After 2 minutes, we shall add 3 big onions and 2 green chillies finely chopped. On this side, we shall add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it well for 2 minutes. Let's fry the ginger garlic paste for 2 minutes. Now our onions are cooked on one side. Let's give it a good stir and let it cook on other side. Now let's add 1 cup of crushed shallots to the mutton curry. For mutton tahari, we are going to add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix it well. For mutton curry, we are going to add 2 cups of tomato puree. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mutton masala, half teaspoon turmeric powder and required amount of salt. Mix it well. Now let's add the boneless mutton pieces along with mutton stock. Mix the mutton pieces along with the masala and give it a good mix. Let it cook for some time. After stirring, we are going to add 1.5 cups of raw rice. Mix the rice well with the masala. For 1.5 cups of rice, we are going to use 2 cups of water. As we are going to pressure cook this tahari, no need more water. Keep it in medium flame for 10 minutes. Now our tomato puree has cooked perfectly. To this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, little amount of turmeric powder and required amount of salt. Now let's add the mutton pieces which have bones. Mix it well properly and close it with the lid for some time. Garnish it with coriander leaves. Our mutton curry is ready. You can have this for rice, roti, chapati, dosa, or any other main course item. Now our mutton tahari is also ready. You can see that rice is not sticky, and it looks like you have directly cooked the mutton tahari. It is very simple to prepare, and also it tastes very delicious. Please do try it in your home and post your valuable comments below. Combination of this mutton tahari and mutton curry is very good, and you can cook both the recipes at same time by cooking the mutton at once. If you are new to our channel and if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and post your valuable comments below. Thank you.